Dr. Muhammad Abbas from Center for Omic Sciences, Islamia College Peshawar recently discussed in his article about genetic counseling in Pakistan. A crucial aspect of healthcare is genetic counseling, which informs people and their families about genetic abnormalities, inheritance patterns, and associated dangers and repercussions. Due to the high rate of consanguineous marriages, marriages between close relatives, and the danger of inherited genetic illnesses that go along with them, genetic counseling has become more important in Pakistan. An overview of genetic counseling in Pakistan is provided below. Pakistan has a high prevalence of consanguineous marriages, which raises the danger of recessive genetic conditions. Individuals can better grasp the dangers and make educated decisions about family planning with the use of genetic counseling. Genetic diseases include thalassemia, hemophilia, and other metabolic abnormalities are quite common in Pakistan. Families are informed about these illnesses, their inheritance patterns, and the potential treatment choices through genetic counseling. Genetic counseling helps to prevent genetic disorders by doing tests to find out if someone carries a gene that can cause a disorder. It can also test embryos before they are placed in the womb to check for genetic disorders. It also helps to find disorders early so they can be managed better. In Pakistan, there are several large medical facilities that provide genetic counseling services. Clinical geneticists and genetic counselors with specialized expertise in genetics and counseling frequently offer these services. In Pakistan, genetic centers and non-governmental organizations, NGOs, both contribute significantly to the provision of genetic counseling services. They frequently concentrate on spreading knowledge about genetic illnesses, offering support to afflicted families, and encouraging carrier testing. To prepare professionals who can deliver these services in clinical settings, certain institutions in Pakistan offer courses and programs in genetic counseling. Despite the significance of genetic counseling, the general public is still unaware of its advantages. The idea of genetic abnormalities or the function of genetic counseling may be unfamiliar to many individuals. Some groups may relate genetic abnormalities with stigma. Individuals who are afraid of social isolation or prejudice may be discouraged from obtaining genetic counseling or testing. Individuals in rural or distant places may have restricted access to genetic counseling services since they are concentrated in urban areas and big cities. The availability and quality of genetic counseling services might be hampered by a lack of resources, such as experienced genetic counselors and modern genetic testing facilities. In Pakistan, efforts are being made to enhance genetic counseling services. To promote awareness of genetic illnesses and the significance of genetic counseling, public health initiatives and educational programs are being launched. To address the dearth of experienced workers in the sector, more experts are being educated as genetic counselors. Collaborations among medical facilities, universities, and international organizations are advancing genetic research and improving counseling service quality. Finally, genetic counseling is becoming more widely recognized in Pakistan as a critical service for addressing the issues posed by genetic illnesses, particularly in the context of consanguineous marriages. Despite difficulties, initiatives are being made to increase access, increase knowledge, and enhance the general quality of genetic counseling services offered across the nation.